Welcome to the brand new 2022 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Custom Trail Boss. The Custom Trail Boss is powered by a 5.3-liter V8 engine and made it up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior of the truck: power windows, locks, and mirrors, drivability dial, push button 4x4. You do have a cruise control and forward collision warning on our steering wheel with the black bow tie. 4 kilometers on the truck, brand new. Column shifter, push button ignition, a nice large 6-inch touchscreen using using the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Single zone climate control with heat and AC. We do have lane keep assist, auto stop start. Vehicle does have trash control and multiple USB ports and a 12-volt there. Vehicle does have the dual zone glove box, locking bottom, and up front our cloth seats do have that 6-seat up front, the 40-20-40 split. So your center console here doubling up as that 6th seat in the crew cab Silverado. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the Silverado Trail Boss, we have the 20-inch wheel and tire package with the Goodyear Wrangler Territory MT tires. We have black plastic door handles as well as the matching mirror caps. Z71 badging. The Custom Trail Boss has the factory 2-inch lift kit up front, making room for the big wheel and tire packages. Coming down to the side, we do have halogen light bulbs, recovery hooks, Z71 badging as well, Chevrolet grill, custom grill. Making our way back down the side. Crew cab truck, rear extended privacy windows, remote start equipped, Trail Boss badging on the rear. At the back, we do have our dual chrome exhaust tips, trailer tow package, LED brake lights, as well as your Silverado custom locking tailgate with a backup camera. Taking a quick look at the interior of the truck, we do have the cloth 60-40 split. Both end seats are car seat ready as well. We do have a solid rear window with defrost, extra headroom over top, solid roof, dome lighting over top, heat and AC vents. Now this is a crew cab truck, so an enormous amount of room in the back of the Silverado 1500. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the brand new 2022 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.